Welcome to World Geography. I hope you're all excited for the start of school. I know I'm excited to teach this class and get to know all of you. Remember, World Geography is just a one semester course, so we'll move really quickly here. Each day we'll have objectives for this online course, just to make sure that I stay on track and you know what to expect for the day. So our objectives for this class period: students and myself will introduce themselves to one another. Students will share about their summer. Students will discuss the importance of digital citizenship. So, hello, I am Mr. Regier, and this is my family. That's Mrs. Regier and our dog, Bo. So where have I been? I grew up in the Remington School District and went to school there. I went to Bethel College. And then my first teaching job out of college was at Chaparral, which is southwest of here. And this is now my second year at Halstead, and I'm really excited. I love being a dragon. How was my summer? It's been great. I've been able to travel. We've been able to see friends and family. And as you can see in the picture here, I was able to go to Colorado, go on a hiking trip with my siblings and their significant others. So my favorite summer activity, though, is probably being on the lake and wakeboarding, although this was definitely not my favorite moment from the summer. As you can see, I am in pretty rough shape there on the left, and then just a devastating face plant on the right. So in order for you to not face plant in this class, I have some keys to success for you here to hopefully keep you on the road to success. So what are those keys? One is you have to log in to the Google Meet every day, and I have the link to our Google Meet right there. It's shared with you on the Google Calendar. It's been emailed to you. It's in the syllabus, so it is everywhere. If you forget it, you can look on pretty much anything that has to do with this class, and the Google Meet link should be there. However, in order to do that, number two, you have to have your device charged every day. So there's no excuse for that. Hopefully you have multiple devices. If you get in a pinch with something and you need to use another device, obviously that's fine. Pretty much any device should work for this course. But if you're in a real bind, you can always contact me. And overall, number three, follow the syllabus. The syllabus was emailed to you, and that's going to have everything that you need to know about this course. And as long as you follow the syllabus, you should be fine. And, so those three keys to success are kind of our rules, our policies for the classroom. And part of our duty as citizens is to have a basic knowledge of the laws and the consequences for breaking those laws. So, for instance, normal school policies when you're in school, things like dress code, food and drink, parking lot etiquette, Chromebook, tardies in attendance, and phones, those are going to be, those are kind of in-school policies. Now, we have similar ones. You have a dress code on here. You need to be dressed in clothes. You can't be laying in bed. And, you'll have some tech policies, which we'll talk about here a little later. And there's tardies in attendance here as well. So some of those cross over, but let's go into a little bit more of where you can find the details of our tech policies. Technology policies, you can find the USD 440 Technology Acceptable Use Policy right here. We will follow the ISTE standards for this course, and these are just great guides for you as students, and it's great for me as well. We will reference these standards in each assignment that we do. So it's important that you get familiar with them as students, and I am, familiar with the educator standards, and those go really well together. They mesh well, and I think it's going to help guide this course. Finally, we will do everything to build those digital citizenship skills. And so this is an article that has 7 digital citizenship skills. So what are you going to do? You are going to create a digital citizenship video. So step 1, read through the 3 links on that previous slide, the USD 440 technology policy, the ISTE standards, and the 7 digital citizenship skills. Step 2, you're going to create your video. So whichever video creation program that you want to use is fine. Introduce yourself, share your favorite summer activity, and then what does it mean to be a good digital citizen, and you need to use all 3 sources in your response. Step 4, turn it into Google Classroom and comment on 2 other classmate videos. So I have opened up the comments in Google Classroom. I have the link to our Google Classroom right here. You can click on the link and go to the Google Classroom. And on this next slide, if you have any questions about how to turn in your video on Google Classroom, you can just click here and it's Google support how to turn in an assignment on Google Classroom. So just a reminder, read the 3 sources that are on slide 10, record your video with, who are you, how is your summer, and then what makes a good digital citizen, using your device, turn it into Google Classroom, and comment on 2 classmates' videos. So, hey, I'm really looking forward to it. I can't wait to see everyone's videos. Be creative, have fun with it, and let's have a great year, guys. There's my references that I used here. So, hey, good luck. As always, email me if you have any questions. Thanks.